discussed about combination, isn't it? Combination means, can you hear me?
Selection.
Huh? Can you hear me? Gauri?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Combination means
Selection.
selection. We are selecting, isn't it? And it is denoted by N. Okay, NCR. Out of N objects, suppose we are selecting R objects, means we denote this as NCR. And what is NCR? We have defined NCR.
N factorial
N factorial
divided by R factorial into N minus R
minus R
factorial.
factorial into N minus R factorial. And we'll learn some results, isn't it? NC0 is NC0. Nandana?
Yes. 1.
1. Dia, what is NCN?
1.
1. Gayatri? NC1.
N.
N? Is it N? Yes. Okay. And we learned one result. NCR will be same as NC N minus R, isn't it? One important result we learned, NCR is equal to NC N minus R. So, NCR is NC N minus R. From this result, we are deducing another result. Okay, this is again an important one. If NCP is equal to NCQ, suppose combinations of two elements are equal. Suppose combination NCP is same as NCQ. So that implies either P is equal to Q or P plus Q will be same as N. If you add these two, from this result only we are deriving it. Add this R and N minus R. If you add these two, what you will get? Is it N? From there only we are getting this result. If NCP is equal to NCQ, then A P is equal to Q, P plus Q is equal to N. If NCP is equal to NCQ, then either P is equal to Q or P plus Q is equal. Okay, now let us solve some problems based on combinations. Solve some problems based on combination. Write the first one. If NC9 is equal to NC8, find NC17. If NC9 is equal to NC8, find NC17. How to solve this? Okay. So again, you recall the formula now. What you NCP is equal to NCQ implies either P is equal to Q or P plus Q is equal to N. If two combinations are equal, then P will be same as Q. Or when you add this, if they are not equal, if you add these two, you should get N. Okay, that formula only we are going to use here. Here it is given NC9 is equal to NC8. Now look at here whether 9 equals 8. Whether the first condition is satisfying here. P.
No.
No. Then what is the possibility? Therefore surely N will be same as P plus Q. That is 6 plus 8, which is 17. So N is 17. Now once, if N is 17, what is NC17? Which is same as 17. What is the answer? NCN 1. Which is 1. Similar question. Next one. Is it clear? Is it okay, Sania?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Next one. If if NC8 is equal to NC2, find NC2. If NC8 is equal to NC2, find NC2. Here also N is not given. Again use that property. If NCP is equal to NCQ, then either P is equal to Q or P plus Q is N. Here NC8 is equal to NC2. So P is not equal to Q. P is not equal to Q. Therefore, only possibility is P plus Q is N. So that means 8 plus 2 is N. So N is equal to 10. If N is equal to 10, find what is NC2. It is 10C2. How to find 10C2? Gayatri?
10 into 9 by 2 into 1.
Yes, 10 into 9 by 2 into 1. Simplify this, you'll get the answer.
Forty-five.
It is 45. Okay.
45.
Others, Aditya, Israj, are you getting this answer? Femina is there? Femina? So the answer is 45. Next one. Determine N if 2NC3 is to NC3 is 11 is to 1. Determine N if 2NC3 is to NC3 is equal to 11 is to 1. 2NC3 is to NC3 is 11 is to 1. How to do this? What is 2NC3? So it's the definition we have learned for NCR. NCR is n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Therefore, what will be 2NC3? Isn't it? This is the definition. Here, r is given, isn't it? What's the value of r? R is 3. So, how will you write NC3? How will you write NC3? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 1 into 2 into 3. N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 1 into 2 into 3. If it is NC3. Now here it is given 2NC3. What is meant by 2NC3? What is meant by 2NC3? 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 by 1 into 2 into 3 is 2 NC3. That means from n onwards 3 numbers. N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 1 into 2 into 3 is 11 is to 1. That means 11 by 1. Up to this, is it clear? Okay, now here 1, 2 you can cancel. Therefore, n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 by 1 into 3 by is 2 means what is it? A is to B means A by B. And write this as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 by 1 into 2 into 3 is 11 by 1. Now, which all the possible terms you cancel. N you can cancel, 3 you can cancel, therefore you will get 2n minus 1. Listen children, from these two terms you can take 2 as common. If you take 2 as common, you will get 2 into n minus 1 by, here both the terms will get cancelled, you will get 1. Division of fraction means it is multiplication by reciprocal. So 2 into n minus 1 into n minus 2 is 11 by 1. So n minus 1 will get cancelled. Therefore 4 into 2n minus 1 by n minus 2 is 11 by 1. Cross multiply this and find the value of n. A is to B means it is A by B. A is to B means it is A by B. Division of fraction means multiplication by reciprocal. We multiply it by the reciprocal. From here, find the value of n. Is it okay? Is it clear, children? That steps, is it clear? Huh? Ashwin? Ashwin?
Ma'am, n is equal to 6.
N is 6. What about the others? Achyut, what is the answer you are getting?
6, ma'am.
6. And it? Are you getting n is equal to 6?
I'm doing, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Is it okay, children? That one is it okay? Srihari, what is the answer you got? Srihari? N is 6. Okay. Write the next one. Next question. How many chords, C-H-O-R-D-S, chords, how many chords can be drawn? How many chords can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? How many chords can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? What is meant by chord? Chord of a circle. What is meant by chord of a circle? Yes, Rijas? What's the chord? Chord of a circle.
Joining 2 points on a circle and not passing through radius.
Okay. So this is a chord. You take any 2 points on a circle and join it by a line, that is a chord. And we know that, and what do you know about, suppose this is the center. Okay, what is this line AB called?
Diameter.
Diameter. And we know that diameter is the
Longest chord.
longest chord. Diameter is the longest chord. Okay, chord means a line, straight line joining the 2 points on a circle. So now here it is given there are 21 points are there on the circle. You have 21 points on the circle. So how many chords can be drawn? What will be the answer? So in order to draw a chord, we need how many points? We need 2 points. So we have to select 2 points, isn't it? Total points are there 21. So from this 21 points, you select 2. So what is the answer? It is 21 C2. Out of 21 points, you select 2. It is 21 C2. What is 21 C2? What is 21 C2?
210.
210. How you are getting 210? Can you give the steps, Shubham? Answer is correct. Can you give the steps? It's correct.
21 into 20 by 1 into 2.
21 into 20 by 1 into 2.
2.
2. Okay. So next one. Next one. Write the next one. A committee of 3 persons is to be formed. A committee of 3 persons is to be formed. A committee of 3 persons is to be formed. Committee of 3 persons is to be formed from a group of 2 men and 3 women. From a group of 2 men and 3 women. A committee of 3 persons is to be formed from a group of 2 men and 3 women. In how many ways can this be done? In how many ways can this be done? In how many ways can this be done? The question is not over. How many of these? How many of these committee? How many of these committees would consist of? How many of this committee would consist of 1 man and 2 women? How many of these committees would consist of 1 man and 2 women? Muhammad Adim, read the question, Muhammad Adim. Muhammad Adim. Muhammad Adim. Muhammad Adim is there. Shivani, read the question, Shivani. Shivani. Shivani, can you read the question? Okay. Dia. Dia.
A committee of 3 persons is to be formed from a group of 2 men and 3 women. In how many ways can this be done? How many of these committees would consist of 1 man and 2 women?
Okay, listen children. So there are 2 men and 3 women. 2 men and 3 women. We are forming a committee of 3 persons. Isn't it? We are forming a committee of 3 persons. 2 men are there and 3 women are there. So in how many ways you can select? 3. What is the answer? What is the total number? 2 men there and 3 women. So what is the total number? What is the total number? Yes, Achut.
5.
5. So from this 5, for the first question, no restriction is given. You want to select 3. So out of 5, we are going to select 3. So what will be the answer from 5 if you select 3?
3C5.
Is it 3C5? Check it. Total how many are there? What is the answer? Punya. Yes?
5C3.
Yes, it is 5C3. It is 5C3. For the first case, the answer is 5C3. Okay. So in the first part, it is asked. Okay, here it is given. In how many ways we can do it? So your total, although it is given 2 men, and 3 women. So total it is 5. So in the first case, there is no restriction, isn't it? So the number of ways is, we want to select 3 persons. Here it is not mentioned how many men, how many women, and no restriction is given there. So from this 5, we can select any 3. So it is 5C3. So it is 5C3. It is 10. Aishwarya, is it 10?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now look at the second case. In second case, what is asked? We have to select 1 man and 1 woman. Okay, we have to select the committees which consist of 1 man and 2 women. So from the 2 men, listen children, from the 2 men, I am going to select 1. So it is 2C1. From these 2 men, I am going to select 1. So it is 2C1 into, from the 3 women, I am going to select 2. So into 3C2. 2C1 into 3C2. Why? Here it is given we need only 1 man. So there are total 2 men. From the 2 men we can select 1 man in 2C1 ways. Likewise, total here 3 women are there. We want to select 2 women. So it is 3C2. We want both. So into. So 2C1 into 3C2. What is the answer?
6.
It is 6. It is 6 ways. Okay. Before doing the next question, you have completed that one, children? Did you complete this one? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, the next question is based on a deck of cards. So, what is the total number of cards? If it is given a deck of cards, what will be the
52.
52 cards, isn't it? Total cards are 52. Out of this 52 cards, how many are black and how many are red?
13 are 26 are black and 26 are red.
26 black cards and 26 red cards, isn't it? Again, this 26 black we can split into spade and club, isn't it? In spade you will get 13, club also you will get 13, isn't it? What about red cards? You split this as
Heart and diamond.
heart.
Heart and diamond.
Yes. So in heart you will get 13 cards, and diamond you will get 13 cards. Okay. Again, if you take this 13 cards, each 13, you can split it further as some number cards are there. Number cards means
10 number cards.
is it 10 number? One you have.
9.
So which are
One
the
has a ace.
so one will not be including, isn't it? So the number cards it starts from 2,
2 to 10.
4, 5,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
9, 10. So total we have 9 number cards, and we will have ace, isn't it? Ace means A. Then
Jack,
face cards. That one we call it as face cards.
face card.
Ah,
King, queen, jester.
King, queen,
Queen
and jack.
and jester.
Okay. Okay. So total number of cards is okay. So total number of cards is 52, isn't it? Total number of cards is 52. Among these 52 cards, 26 are black and 26 are red. 26 are black and 26 are red. Again, if you take this 26 black cards, that one we can split into spade and club. Likewise, if you take the red cards, there are 13 heart and 13 diamonds. Then, this one again we can split this into number card, ace and face cards. Number cards are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ace means card A. Face cards means it is king, queen and jack. Okay. So the next question is based on this deck of cards. Next two questions. Okay, note down this. Okay, total number of cards is 52. How many black cards, how many red cards, and how many ace? Here, in each type you will get one ace. So total number of ace will be, how many ace will be there?
4.
4. How many face cards will be there?
12.
12.
12 face cards. Okay, now let's do the next one. Write down the question. Write the question. What is the number of ways? What is the number of ways of choosing? What is the number of ways of choosing cards. What is the number of ways of choosing 4 cards from a pack of 52 playing cards? What is the number of ways of choosing 4 cards from a pack of 52 playing cards? 4 cards from a pack of 52 playing cards. In how many of these? In how many of these? In how many of these? Okay, under that you have 4 subdivision. In how many of these? Under that first one, 4 cards are of the same suit. 4 cards are of the same suit. 4 cards are of the same suit. Second one, 4 cards belong to different suits. 4 cards belong to different suit. Belongs to 4 different suits. That means all the 4 cards are different. Third one, 2 are red and 2 are black. 2 are red and 2 are black. Cards are of the same color. Cards are of the same color. Cards are of the same color. Okay, so here 4 subdivision are there, and initially one question is asked. What is the first question? What is the number of ways of choosing 4 cards from a pack of 50 playing cards? Read the question. What is given here? Emmanuel, read the first question.
4 cards are of the same suit.
From the beginning you read from the initially one part is there in the first part. What is the?
I couldn't write it, ma'am. Can you repeat that?
When I ask that one, only you are saying that you are not able to.
Yes.
Karthik, read the first part.
4 cards are of the same suit.
No. Read it from the beginning.
What is the number of ways of choosing 4 cards from a pack of 52 playing cards, and how many ways of these 4 cards of the same suit?
Done.
Karthik, read it slowly.
What is the number of ways of choosing 4 cards from a pack of 52 playing cards?
Okay. So listen, what is the first part asked here? What is the number of ways of choosing 4 cards from a pack of 52 playing cards? From a pack of 52 playing cards, you are going to select 4 cards. What is the answer? What will be the answer? From 52, you are going to select 4. So, what is the answer? For the first, from 52, if we select 4, what is the answer? It is
52C4.
it is 52C4. So, which is same as 52 into 51 into 50 into 49 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Okay. See, listen children, you do the calculation afterwards. You simplify this and you have to find. You have to simplify it. Now look at the first part. Now, in how many of these 4 cards are of the same suit? 4 cards are of same suit. Okay, we want the same suit. That means 4 cards are of same suit means the 4 from are from which are the 4 suits you have? Which are the 4 suits? It should be either a spade,
Club.
or heart, or diamond. Okay, the four cards we are selecting will be either a spade, or a club, or a heart, or a diamond. So So 4 cards are of the same suit means what is the total number? So it will be either 13C4 or okay, from the spade or from the club or all the 4 from, maybe from heart or all the 4 from the diamonds. So 13C4, it may be either spade or means we are adding, it may be a club or it may be diamond or it may be a heart. So which is same as 4 times 13C4, isn't it? This one you simplify and find the answer. 4 cards are of the same. Is it okay? Is it clear, children? Is it okay, Naureen? This first part, is it clear? 4 cards are of the same suit means all the 4 cards are spade, or it may be club, or all the 4 cards may be diamonds, or all the 4 cards may be heart. So it is 13C4, or means we add plus 13C4 or 13C4 or again 13C4. You can simplify this and you can find it. Now what is the second one asked? What is the second part asked? 4 cards belong to 4 different suits. That means 4 cards we are selecting and it belongs to 4 different suits. That means that is one should be spade.
13C1 plus 13C1.
We want 4 cards. Either first one may be heart and the second one may be diamond and, isn't it? We want all the 4 cards. So 13C1 into 13C1 into 13C1 into 13C1. We are not going for OR option. One card is from diamond, one card is from spade.
Ma'am, why are we multiplying?
What I'm saying here, listen. We want 4 cards. We want all the 4 cards. Okay, we are selecting 4 cards. So first card will be from spade and second card will be from, okay, what is meant by OR? OR means either we select it from the first one or from the second one. Here what is it given? We need all the 4 cards. One card from spade we want. Second card will be from club. And the third card from the heart. And the fourth card will be from club, diamonds. So we want one from each suit. We want one from each suit. If we get one from each suit only, we will get total 4 cards, isn't it? Okay, so we need the first one to happen. Second one also must happen. Third one, fourth one. From each type we want. So we are multiplying. If there is an option, we go for add. There is no option here. It is compulsory. We should select one card from the first type, second card from second type, and so on. So we are multiplying. So 13C1 into 13C1 into 1 into 13C1. Simplify this and find the final answer. Don't leave with this. And 2 more parts are there. Try to solve it. Tomorrow we'll be continuing with this. Is it time up? Huh?
Yes.
It's up to 11:30. Okay. So you complete up to the second one. Okay. Third one and fourth one, you try to find it. Okay. Achu, is it clear? Think it. Okay. You check it one more time. Is it? We use this concept in probabilities also. In probability, you'll use this. and or. And means we will multiply, or means we add. Union.